Asphalt or metal? Which roofing material reigns supreme? If you're replacing your roof, this one decision can impact your home's value, maintenance cost, and your energy bill for decades. In this video, we're breaking down the cost, durability, maintenance, and the pros and cons of each so you can make the smart choice for your home. Hey everyone, I'm Cody. And in my 8 years in the roofing industry, I've helped countless homeowners navigate the metal versus asphalt decision. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make a more informed decision too. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip you won't want to miss. First things first, let's talk about the bottom line, cost. How do metal and asphalt roofs compare? Asphalt shingles generally are more budget-friendly option up front. In our area in Alabama and coastal region here, architectural shingles are a very popular choice because they add curb appeal and the cost is normally between $4.50 to $6.50 per square foot. So for an average 3,000 square foot roof, you're looking at a total cost of roughly $13,500 to $19,500. Now, metal roofing is a different story. It's a bigger investment up front, but it comes with some significant long-term benefits we'll get to here in just a minute. Metal roofing costs vary depending on the type of metal. You can expect to pay anywhere from $6 to $20 per square foot. This means a total cost between $18,000 to $60,500 for your typical roof. But price isn't everything. Longevity is key. How long can you expect each type of roof to last? Metal roofs are the champions of durability. They often come with a 30 to 50-year warranty, and with proper maintenance, they can easily last 40 to 70 years, sometimes even longer. Asphalt shingles, on the other hand, typically come with 15 to 30-year warranties and usually need to be replaced within that time frame. Speaking of maintenance, both types of roofs benefit from regular inspections. We recommend having a professional inspect your roof at least one time per year and following seasonal maintenance schedule. We've got a handy seasonal maintenance checklist you can download. The link's in the description below. It's packed with tips to keep your roof in top shape, no matter the weather. Okay, let's break down the pros and cons of each. Metal roofs. Pros: incredible longevity, up to 70 years. Eco-friendly and energy efficient, and minimal maintenance if installed correctly. Cons: higher upfront cost and requires specialized installation. Now, asphalt shingles. Pros: more affordable up front, easier to install, and a wider variety of styles and colors to choose from. Cons: requires more frequent maintenance and it's less eco-friendly. Finally, the bonus thing to consider. Let's talk about looks. Aesthetics are subjective, and of course, both metal and asphalt roofs offer a range of styles and colors. If you want to dive deeper into the different styles, check out the blog post linked in the description. We go into serious detail there. So, which is right for you? It depends on your budget, your long-term goals, and your personal preferences. Hopefully this video has given you the information you need to make an informed decision.